You're funny.
We're doing it! We're doing it!
We'll probably do 2-7 left because we're going to be on this side,
Okay.
but not necessarily.
Alright. It says FAA air traffic controllers are on elevated platforms or gators near the runway departure points, and they will clear aircraft for takeoff.
Silver low wing, runway 27 left, cleared for takeoff. Blue and white low wing, runway 27 left, line up and wait.
At 800 Mike Foxtrot, we got Hunter and Savannah inside.
Razors or Mike Foxtrot, maintain at about 2000 north, under left base from way 28. Contact tower 194
Alright, over to tower, we're going to maintain 2000 better to our north of Hunter, and we'll enter the left base for runway 28, 0 Mike Foxtrot. See you now. Savannah Tower, good afternoon. It's experimental 800 Mike Foxtrot's with you. 2000, field inside, we got Hunter inside as well.
Experimental 0 Mike Foxtrot, left tower, runway 1 clear.
Alright, can we request 28 for today?
Mike Foxtrot, runway 28 clear.
Alright, 28 clear land for 0 Mike Foxtrot, thank you. Alright, first notch flaps, lights are on, boost pump's on. I'll leave the taxi light off since it's causing issues.
Oh, those containers, that's crazy.
Mike Foxtrot, we park here.
Signature today.
Mike Foxtrot, to the left on Charlie, left on RC.
Alright, left at 1, left on Charlie, ground point 9 for signature for 0 Mike Foxtrot. Alright, departing
Savannah clearance.
Savannah.
707, ready to copy all of the Experimental 00 Mike Foxtrot, Savannah clear delivery.
800 Mike Foxtrot, experimental RV8 Vans type. We're at signature flight support. We are looking for a VFR departure to the north-northwest. Wonder if we could fly follow today.
800 Mike Foxtrot, what's your destination and requested altitude?
Destination is going to be 6 India 2 and 4,500 requested for now.
800 Mike Foxtrot, stand by.
Number 00 Mike Foxtrot, maintain VFR out of the 3000 until advised by departure. Your departure frequency will be 125.1 and flight 1531.
Alright, Bravo 3000 to advise, departure frequency 125.3 and our code is 1531 for 0 Mike Foxtrot.
Mike Foxtrot, you need back to correct any figure Bravo?
We do have Bravo. Grounds experimental 800 Mike Foxtrot signature rate taxi Bravo.
00 Mike Foxtrot,
Signature today?
one taxi Bravo.
1 via Bravo 0 Mike Foxtrot. Alright, I think we're all ready to go. You ready to go?
Ready.
Good afternoon, Tower. It's experimental 800 Mike Fox. Hold short in runway 1. We're ready.
0 Mike Foxtrot, Savannah, Savannah, heading runway 1, clear for takeoff.
Runway heading, runway 1, clear for departure, United, or excuse me, 0 Mike Foxtrot. Damn it. It said United.
United 43 Yankee,
Alright, flight controls are good. All the instruments are on the green.
Runway 1, clear land, 843 Yankee.
Runway heading, it says. Ready to go, doll?
Ready when you are, lover.
A little bit of a right crosswind. Okay, everything's in the green. Flaps coming up. $800 Mike Foxtrot's in a VFR descent for Lebanon.
0 Mike Foxtrot, Roger, Lebanon, Springfield Airport is 12 o'clock and 35 miles Fort Field, right?
We'll call it when we see it. 0 Mike Foxtrot. Well, we're going into Lebanon, Kentucky for fuel. Sending out of 8,500. Bumpy now. It's Trisha's fault. At Indy Center, 800 Mike Foxtrot. We got Lebanon in sight. We go cancel flight following.
800 Mike Foxtrot, Roger, radar services terminated, small VFR, free change clears. I'm showing no traffic between you and Taylor this time. Good day.
Right, squawking VFR. We'll talk to you on the way out. Good day, sir.
Yeah.
Lebanon traffic, experimental 800 Mike Foxtrot's Vans RV8. We're 15 miles to the southeast of the field. Flying straight in for runway 29, Lebanon.
This is Lebanon Springfield Unicom. Read you loud and clear. No other traffic reported in the area. Bring that RV on in here.
Nice, darling. I'll give that a 9.8.
And Chicago 0 Mike Foxtrot. At least start their VFR descent down for Charlie 77.
RV 0 Mike Foxtrot. Roger, descend at your discretion.
Descend our discretion, 0 Mike Foxtrot. Alright, we'll go down to 2,000 feet. At Chicago 800 Mike Foxtrot. We got Poplar Grove in sight. We go and cancel flight following.
0 Mike Foxtrot. Roger, radar service terminate squawk 1200. Thanks for 560. We'll get it.
Breakage change approved, squawk at 1200, 0 Mike Foxtrot. Thanks for the help today. Poplar Grove traffic, 800 Mike Foxtrot, RV8. We're tended to south at the field, planning a straight in, runway 30, Poplar Grove. Poplar Grove traffic, 800 Mike Foxtrot, something 2 mile final, runway 30, Poplar Grove.
Altitude.
Poplar Grove traffic, 800 Mike Foxtrot, short final, runway 30, Poplar Grove.
Welcome home.
Thanks. Fun trip.
We look awesome out there.